up on top. That's an original prop from the early Tarzan movies that were filmed here with Johnny Weissmuller. To the right of that, bell-shaped bush, of course. And then look at the end of the Taco Bell house. The roof line there with the rocks, you see that on every Taco Bell. The window sticking out, the original drive-through right there. To the right of Taco Bell, that beautiful place with the big orange roof, the CEO of Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is here in Hollywood. Anybody help pay for that? On your right-hand side over here where the boat is, the property starts right there, goes $1 million. On your left again, you're going to see that beautiful house on the corner. That's Kenneth Simmergrand. He owns an investment firm, and straight behind us, the tower downtown, called One Financial Plaza. Next up on your left, you're going to see some rocks and no house on the upcoming property, just some trees. There used to be a house here, knocked it down about 4 years ago. The lady that lived here, her name was Virginia Wells, as in Fargo. She was the matriarch and grandmother of the family. When they knocked down the house, they actually outlined the rocks over there. You can see where the house used to be. They put this little dock up here recently. The golf people come out here and sit. They'll wave at us as we go by from time to time. Wells Fargo owns about 90% of the expensive storefronts on Los Olas Boulevard. Wells Fargo owns about 90% of my house. On your left-hand side, any ladies like to meet a bachelor billionaire? He just turned 45, right over here to your left. He built that 3 years ago for $11.5 million. How to get rich so quick? He has a program online that helps other companies advertise their companies easier. Next up, just ahead, you're going to see a gray and white boat here on the corner coming up. Then the house with the slanted roof up there beyond it. You'll never guess whose place this used to be. He actually used to hang out with Barney all the time. Lived with OP and AP, Sheriff Taylor, Andy Griffith's old vacation home still here. Ladies, we have 2 bachelors on this trip that we know of, and they just happen to live right next to each other. That's another bachelor at Andy's house. He's from Canada. He's about 80-some years old. Now, he loves this, not a joke, this is real. He loves to come out here and work on these plants, or mainly be on the paddleboard, wearing only his neon green G-string. And it ain't a greasy. And if you think I'm kidding, you've got a brand new narrator. And he was watching me before he saw me for 2 weeks. He kept thinking it was that. As soon as he did the first trip, the guy happened to come out on the paddleboard and he about freaked out. On your left-hand side, you got the turquoise chairs there. That house, Harris Hudson, Wayne Huizinga's best buddy growing up in school, married his sister, became his brother-in-law. They started waste management together. Wayne borrowed $8,000 from his sister to buy an old trash truck. Harris and Wayne would run that trash truck around together, collecting trash themselves. When the company got bigger, Wayne made Harris the general manager. On the left, the yellow place coming up, another little piece of Wayne's world over there. That's Pam Huizinga. She sold that about 10 years ago. The new owners just paid about $28 million. They moved in about 7 months ago. Now, you ready for this? This place has 8 bedrooms. Guess how many bathrooms?
16.
16 bathrooms. Now, next up, you're going to see an empty lot with some blue flower pots over here. Then there's a gold house just ahead. Same owner, a different property. Going to build a bigger house here. The current house will become the guest house when that's finished. This is the former CEO of Kohl's department stores. Anybody ever shop at Kohl's? Yep. Anybody ever use that Kohl's cash? Yeah. Look what they bought with your cash. Hey, on your right-hand side, check out the house coming up in Fort Lauderdale on the water. It's called the Triangle. It's a triangle-shaped sandbar. 2 feet of water at low tide. You see there's a food boat out there right now, but hardly any other boats. On the weekends, we'll have 200 or 300 little boats right here. Sometimes we ride by here and see things you can't unsee. Off to your right, you got another canal coming up. There's a white boat.